Alright guys, so today we are going to talk about premium and discount zones. Okay, most traders don't know the zones that they should buy and sell. Alright, so that is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Premium and discount zones are zones that we used to buy and we used to sell in the market. I've been posting like my normal videos because I've been suffering from this pimples here, bro. Now it's going. Alright, so I'm back again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's go to the video. I'm going to show you how to draw premium and discount zones, how to trade them perfectly. If you are ICT trader or SMC trader, this video is for you.
Alright, so welcome back,
let's watch the video.
ICT traders. Today we're going to talk about premium and discounts in trading. Okay, so how to catch trading setups using premium and discounts, or if you don't know premium and discounts, what is it when you say premium and discount? Okay, so let me bring this tool right here. We're going to use this tool called the indicator. Fibonacci retracement, and I'm gonna draw it. This is how the tool is. Look at this one, the setting, and make sure your chart is like this. Okay, so make sure here is 0 black. We have this one here, you have black. Then make sure this one is 0.5 and let me red. All right, turn the rest down. All right, turn them off or turn them down. Okay, then the background is there. Okay, so this one, so I'm talking about. And I have my prices here, and you know the numbers here, that is the value here. You can decide to take them left or right or center. That is here. Okay, and this is the test inside. All right, so this the Fibonacci retracement, that is a premium and discount zone, shows us the areas where we can get a very sniper trade or a very high probability trade. Okay, and let's say anytime there's a discount on the product, there's more buyers. Okay, all right, so this one that you are seeing right here, the color below here is what we call the discount. Okay, that is a discount. The color at the top here is what we call the premium. Okay, and this one in the middle, that is the line in the middle, is what we call the equilibrium. Okay, that is the equal price. All right, so if a market is in an uptrend, we want to buy when price is inside the discount zone. Okay, that is what I said. Anytime there's a discount on the products, there's more buys. All right. And if price is dropping, like creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, we want to sell when price does not draw this one from here. We want to sell. Sorry. We want to sell when price push all the way to the premium zone when price is in the downtrend. Okay, price in the downtrend, we want to sell when price push to the premium zone, push to the downside. All right, and the same thing we want to buy when price is in the discount zone. Okay, so let's go and let me show you how to apply this into your trading and also able to increase your win rate. I don't want to make the video long. Okay, so I have more videos on my channel. Go check them out. All right, so let's move from there and let's come here. How do you draw the Fibonacci retracement tool? Or how do you use it to catch trade setup? That is a premium and a discount. Okay, so I'm using the currency pair of gold right now. You can see gold is an uptrend. All right, and I have a secret formula that I use to trade. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you this secret formula. I have a formula I call the DAX formula. Okay, that is the DAX formula, DACT formula. Okay, the D stands for the direction of the market, the A stands for the area of value for the market, that is the trend. Okay, and the C stands for the confirmation in the trend, the T stands for the trade management, and the E stands for the entry. Okay, so after you identify the trend of the market, all right, looking at any pair or any commodity or any asset that you want to trade, first of all, you want to use the DAX formula. That is first, you need to identify the trend. Is the trend bullish, bearish, or consolidating? Okay. After you identify the trend, you come to your area of value, area of interest. In this trend, what is the area of interest you want to enter the trade? Okay. That is where we want to use the Fibonacci by using the premium and discount. So what happened? Price push from here, breaking structure at this place. Okay. It's a break of structure here. This was where price started the correct massive move to the upside, breaking this structure here. Okay, so now we need to bring the fib from, draw the fib from below the and find out the premium and discount zone. So I'm drawing the Fibonacci from here to where price got to before the pullback. Okay. So using the dark formula, that is where the push started to where price got to before the retracement. So I said in this premium zone, we don't want to look for buy trade. We want to look for trade when price is in the discount zone, because when there is a discount on the product, there's more buys. Okay. So we are looking out for price to retrace down into the discount and we take a trade entry. Okay. That is the area of value that we're trying to find. So inside this trend right here, what is the area of value? So we need to go down to the smaller time frame and find out our area of value in this trend. And our area of value can be the immediate order block, immediate, let's say, fair value gap or breakup block or whatever. So looking at this one, this was the area where price started the massive push from, this was the current low or the current OB that led to the breakout structure at that place. Okay. And this has been another breakout structure at this place. Okay. So this zone here can be another. All right. So this area here can be another small time frame point of interest. Let's go to the 1 hour and let's see whether we're gonna find it.
Everything teaching on the YouTube channel, we apply it in the Telegram. Okay. And this is the Telegram link. This is the Telegram channel. You can do all and join. Okay, so this is Prime Pips. That is where we send out free trading signals to the people. For people to trade and make money from. So this is the result. This is the trade signal. This is the result. You can see. So that is Prime Pips community. I'll put a link in the description. You can do all and join. Okay. So everything teaching on YouTube, we apply it. And signal is sent to Telegram people. Okay, the name is Prime Pips. All right, so you can see, yeah, this is the signal for a sell. This is another signal for a buy, and you can see it's going through. This is the sell signal. This is the buy signal. This is the buy on gold. All right, so you can see the buy. All right, so this is the channel. This is Prime Pips community. You can do what and join. Everything teaching on YouTube, I apply it. All right, so I also have a one-on-one mentorship with some of you people who want to take the trading to the next level. If you want to take trading to the next level, I have a one-on-one mentorship. It is less than $30. I think it's less than $40. It is only $30. Okay, for just now. All right, so that is it. If you want to join, you can do. Or hit me up, and this is it. Okay, so free trading signals. I also take the trade. All right, it's not only signals. I also take the trade. This is the signal on buy. And you can see this is the buy, and this is actually the result. Okay, so if anything, you can join. The link will be in the description. That is.
So the H1 time frame. All right, so the H1 time frame, we have this breakout structure here, and this is the point of interest we are looking out for. Okay. And this one, we have this one here, and that breakout structure. This is the point of interest we're looking out for. Okay, this is also a breakout structure. Okay, so among all these breakout structure, which one is very, very valid? We already talked about the issue that we don't want to take a trade, a buy trade when price in the premium, but we want to take a trade when price in the discount. Okay, so looking at this one, we just want to take this one out. We don't want to trade here because price is in this side, it is in a premium. Okay, so our valid OB zone or our valid area of value is going to be this one and this one. Okay, that is what we're looking at for price to get inside there, and then we take the buy, or get inside here and we take the buy. Okay, so are you going to go ahead and wait till price gets here? No, we're going to go ahead and trade the pullbacks into the zone. Okay, so what you're going to do is you scale down to the medium smaller time frame, then you look out for trade entry around this area whilst price is pushing to the downside. Okay, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you have any question, and go to my channel. I have other videos about trading Forex, and you can learn from there. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and go to the 30-minute time frame, and let's see whether you're going to find. Okay, so this is the 30-minute time frame, and now we are having a little retracement here. Okay, so we can see price change character around this place. We're in a bullish trend until price bring this low here, break of low. So we're expecting this is a break of low. Character, price break the low. Last candle that led to break of low. This area here led to the break of low. Let me change this one to, let's say, this color. Let me change it to this one. Okay, this one led to the break of the low. So you can see there was a break of this low. Price came back into this area here, pushed to the downside. A break of the major low right here. Another low, change of character. Price pushed all the way to this side. Reacted to it and now pushing to the downside. So now we're looking for price to come all the way to this area, and then we take the buy. So what we are looking out for is we just want to see price do something like this, and now you can see it is trying to come into the zone by forming this double bottom right here. Okay, this double top right here. We have a first top, a second top. Okay, now it's trying to come to the downside. So if there's a little push to the outside here, we're gonna take a sell to the downside because of this break of structure here. Because of this break of structure here. Okay, because of this BOS here, you wanna see price push up a little, then we take the sell from there to the downside. Somewhere around here. Okay. Somewhere around here. And if price is able to manage and then come down into this zone, we want to see price come into the zone, do something like this, then we take the buy to the upside. Okay. So that is what we are looking out for on this one. Let's go to some area. Let me show you whether you're going to find an example on somewhere else. All right. So a perfect sell trade example is here. You can see price is dropping, creating a low. Sorry, a high, have a low, a high, push, a low. Okay, so we had this structure being broken here. Okay, so this was the last candle that led to the break of structure. So we take our Fibonacci, draw from there to this side. Okay, and draw from here to this side. Start to develop prices. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, so this was the candle that led to the break of structure. There's a small candle. Okay, and we had price coming into the premium zone. Price push break this structure here. We had price coming into the premium zone, tapping into the premium zone where the OB or the point of interest is. And then the last one is going to be the T, and then the E, that is the duct. Okay. C, the D is going to be the direction, that is the downtrend. The A is the point of interest, that is in this zone. And then the C is going to be the confirmation, which is price tapping into the zone, causing a change of character in the zone. And then the T is going to be your trade management. You need to manage your trade anytime you want to take a trade. And then your last one is going to be entry. And you can see this was a successful trade, price trade to TP somewhere around here. The TP should be below major structure low. Somewhere around here, TP1 can be somewhere around here. 2 can be somewhere around here. Alright, so backtest this one and lots and then try and see that it works. That is how to trade with premium and discounts. Subscribe to the channel for more content and I'll see you in my next video.